Hey everyone, and welcome back to Homes on Wheels. If you're new to the channel, my name is Brandon and we like to tour awesome homes here. So if you're not subscribed, be sure that you are. If you're following us on Facebook, be sure to hit that follow button where you can keep up with all of the new videos that we release. Today we've got a beautiful home. We're in Troy, Alabama at Smith Manufactured Housing, and we're going to be touring this home that's right here in front of us that's made by Sunshine Homes. This home is a 32 by 68, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. A really beautiful home. I'm actually very much in love with the brown roof that you have on it with the blue color and the nice farm style shutters. And the rock kind of really sets it off right behind that. We'll take a quick walk around the outside real quick just to give y'all a little bit of that. I'm usually pretty bad about jumping right inside, but this home actually has a couple of jut outs that really makes it stand apart from other homes. There's actually one on each end. Go look at this one on this end as well. Now normally we give you the price at the end of the video, but today I'm going to go ahead and tell you right in the front half. Now keep in mind, pricing is subject to change. It can change at any point, and this is as of the time of filming. This home is actually currently starting at $135,000, so $135,500 is the starting point. Without any further ado though, let's go ahead and get right inside and take a look around. And right away, you're going to notice that this home is not staged. And the reason for that is homes are literally flying off the lots here in Alabama. It has been really hard for us to find new models to film that are not already sold and being shipped out. So as we walk in, one of the main things you're going to notice that everybody always asks about is it finished sheetrock? To answer your question, yes, it is. And it is a very nice textured sheetrock. It is an open floor plan here. Try to do a good job of keeping the camera a little bit steadier and do a little bit of a pan shot. So your living room leads right into your kitchen and your dining room, which lets in a ton of light. The heat and air conditioning in this home is in the floor. You can see the vent right down there. Beautiful windows. One thing that I really like about this home is you've actually got a pretty deep windowsill right here. So there's enough room there if you got cats or something like that. I know that our cats love to lay in the windows and sunbathe and watch the birds and the squirrels, all that kind of stuff. Let's head right on in here towards the kitchen though. Now this is also one of the very first homes that I've seen that actually is featuring gray cabinets. It also has that very nice subway tile backsplash that you can see that goes all the way to the ceiling behind the stove right here. Nice marble styled countertops. The cabinets look like they're pretty deep. They are plenty deep enough for your dishes. This home is currently featuring black appliances, which all of the white in here, it kind of makes it where you can't even tell that it's not stainless steel. I actually think that I prefer the black in this home, which I typically do not. It's an interesting small cabinet. Plenty of room to put your beer glasses, mugs, coffee cups, all that kind of stuff. Got one on each side of the stove, so they did a really good job of utilizing that. This home, instead of having the single basin sink, it actually has the double basin. And I've had quite a few people tell me that they do not like the single basin, that they like the separation, so this home does have that. You can see the window behind it. A lot of people say your windows have to open in the kitchen, and in this home they do. The center one does not, but the two side ones do. How do y'all like the light fixture? It kind of has more of a modern feel to that one for sure. Nice big dining room. You could put a big table in there without a problem. So right off of this kitchen to this side over here is going to be a very large laundry room. It does not have the wire shelving in here. It is a solid board, which a lot of people ask about. You can see your washer and dryer hookup over there. Plenty of room for a deep freeze in here. For those of you that may be deer hunters, you gotta have that. But the one thing that is missing is the pedestal sink or a sink to wash at, but that's okay because there's plenty of room. You could add one without a problem. And here is the rear door. Again, a lot of these newer 2021 homes have these doors that are metal, but they're made to look wood. I'm gonna go ahead and take a walk back in this direction over here. Another thing to notate is the flooring in here. Nice linoleum flooring throughout the home. No carpet, nowhere in sight. Wow, that's a pretty big bedroom. So the first guest bedroom is a really nice size. Again, no wire racks in the closet. And a big walk-in closet at that. Not bad for a guest bedroom. Let's go ahead and make our way on down the hallway. And that jut out that we saw in the exterior of the home is going to be this third bedroom, which is another good sized bedroom. With it having that little bit of an exterior jut out, it is allowing for that much more room in this home. And the one thing that I really like about those jut outs is it allows for corner windows. I can just see a nice recliner over there in the corner, or a rocking chair, allowing in the natural light. Let's take a look at how big this closet is. It looks like it's a monster closet as well. Oh yeah, nice big walk-in closet in both of the guest bedrooms, which is a must, I have to say. Now that I have a 5-year-old daughter, I realize how much stuff she has. Here is the guest bathroom. Very nice, with a window to let in some natural lighting. You do have the sink right here. Countertops match the kitchen. It's a single piece shower unit, and that is a must to keep from having leaks in the future. And it's a good sized tub in there too. Now I think we saved the best for last. Are y'all excited for this? We're gonna go take a look at the master bedroom, closet, and bathroom. And this home has different windows in here than most. So you've got your typical windows that you see over here that we're used to, but over here you have a big elongated window that could go right above where your king size bed would go. It's definitely a different style window than I've seen in any of the homes that we filmed before. And they do slide open. Let's take a look at this closet. Again, no wire racks. That's a big deal in most homes. Has a nice sized closet in here. And let's go ahead and turn around and go into this bathroom. And I just caught a peek of the shower and the bathtub, and I think that y'all are gonna be thoroughly impressed. So as you walk in, the first thing you're gonna see is this beautiful bathtub, and this is the jut out on the other end of the home. Very nice standalone bathtub. Another one of those elongated windows right there at the top, and a corner window from the side. Absolutely love the bathtub in here. Another thing that's a little bit different is that your sink is actually kind of in an L. Instead of them being side by side, you've got one over here and one over there, so you'll be back to back. Let's take a look at this shower. Now, another thing that I really like about this shower is it's actually still taped shut, so I can't open it. But notice that you got a shower head right here, and you got one on that side too. So if you and your wife have to jump in the shower at the same time, you can both have the water on you, and one of you is not freezing. Nice bench built back there to the back. You can see that your drain's right here on the front. And right over here in the corner is the toilet. So guys, what do you think? Did you like the house? Let us know in the comments below. And if you will, hang on for just a few minutes and click that video that's right up there in the top right and follow us to our next home tour.